When the grasslands of the world, which are the world's second largest carbon sink, co-evolved, they did so with grazing animals. When a cow or a gazelle or any grazing animal eats grass, the roots slough polysaccharide sugars. That feeds a biological community in the soil, which mineralizes the carbon that's either in the root mass or in the manure or in the grass that's being trampled into the ground. And it turns into mineral carbon in the soil. That's why when the first pioneers went west from here, they found 10 feet of thick black soil. That black is carbon. And as Karl said, the world around, it's now down to inches. We have decarbonized the soil, the way in which we grow commodity crops. So in the book we described Gabe Brown. Gabe was a going broke corn soybean commodity farmer in the Dakotas. Because he was going broke, he said, I'll try something else. First he went to no-till. He stopped breaking the soil and inverting it. Then he planted cover crops, some of them very deep-rooted. Then he brought animals on, cattle, goats, sheep. At that point, and he was measuring carbon in his soil, he went from a little over 1% soil organic matter to, in some of his pastures, over 11% soil organic. He's rolling climate change backward. And this is exactly what Seth and Karl and Soil4Climate is talking about. There are some articles here, Agriculture of Hope, Climate Farmers of North America, and then a more technical article over there that Bill Mumaw had a hand in. So I called Seth when I was writing the book. I called Seth and said, I've got some calculations, the numbers of which I don't trust. How much carbon can we capture and put into the soil? So Seth called Karl, called Bill Mumaw, put together a little team, and we did some back-of-the-envelope calculations. These are rough calculations. But if you take the best evidence of folk like Gabe Brown, and there are now getting to be reams and reams of peer-reviewed technical journals showing what farmers and ranchers have done in increasing their soil carbon, and you multiply that out over the grasslands of the world, how much could we pull down, and then how soon could we get back to the pre-industrial levels of carbon in the atmosphere? Back of the envelope, 30 years. Yeah, wow, this is a big wow. So, Tony Seba's stuff solves half the climate crisis. Soil4Climate solves the other half. We've solved it.